Yo, Halo series time, type shit. I just got on, I got off of work like 2 hours ago. It was pretty chill today. My boss's mother bought me a pizza for us to share. Cause it's only just me and him, so. Oops. I'm gonna get, this guy has the game name in his IGN. I'm gonna get destroyed. That's how you know it's a real guy that just plays this all day. And I got the name. Like if I see someone named, I'm good at Bed Wars, I assume they're good at Bed Wars. So this guy's name is like ranked Nodiva player. I don't know. I bought a vitamin water today. Like I've been buying vitamin water at the gas station every day for like the past week. And like they were $5 each time. But today it was $1.15, and I think they're trying to get rid of them. And I'm low-key sad because I wanna keep drinking vitamin water because I love vitamin water. So yeah, I'm low-key sad, but I really hope they don't. I'm gonna keep buying them. Hopefully they increase the price to keep them, just because of me, because I really like vitamin water. It's like my favorite drink, other than water itself. I don't drink energy drinks. I used to drink a little bit of energy drinks, but I don't anymore because they just make me really nervous. It's like I don't like feeling that way. Cause I feel nervous as is, you know. I don't need to be more nervous. Or I guess anxious. Same thing. That's not. I don't need to feel that way. So I just thought, even though I'm really tired all the time, cause I don't sleep enough. Yeah, I'm gonna start trying to get my sleep schedule back on track, like next, or as soon as possible, I guess. I want it to be 11 to 7, like, cause I feel like that's like what it's supposed to be naturally. Oh my, that's like my circadian rhythm, I feel like, even though I stay up way past that. Is this guy not playing aggro? I don't understand. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm gonna destroy it right now. This guy's beating me. Come on. I made an aim labs routine. I'm not gonna start playing that until I start playing other games other than Minecraft. So, okay, I guess we're playing not aggro. That's cool. I low-key don't like when people don't play aggro in ranks, because like I queue rank for a reason. I queue rank to play aggro. I queue rank to be angry, you know what I'm saying? It's like I don't. But I mean, I'll respect your decision to play passive, you know. I respect people who play passive. I wonder if that guy's good. Oh my gosh, Saucy John John's online. I love that guy. It's my favorite guy, by the way. I'm using 75 FOV because it's like cool. It was crazy. My boss had an argument with his mom today. It was like, I don't know, this guy's like 40 something with the kid, and his mom's like what, 60, and they still argue. It's funny. He's like low-key in the wrong. Like, his mom asked him a question, he just doesn't respond until like for like a minute. Like, why do you need that long to think about what type of pizza we get? Pizza cannot be that difficult. But yeah. I don't know. I'm gonna stop working there after this week though, to get a job at Walmart instead. Well, also I'm like going on a trip in like 2 weeks. So yeah. I'm gonna upload these Halo series like over that time because I have like what 15 of them in the vault right now. So that's just enough time to cover all the time, you know what I'm saying? But also, like, I can't respond to comments at that time, so I might not, but... No, I don't think I will, actually, yeah. Now that I think about it, because I want to respond to comments. Even though I stick a lot of videos sometimes, I still want to. I don't respond to people on Discord. I should do that more often, because, like... Take his... it's like... I just took too long to respond to him. He doesn't like me anymore, I don't think. Well, maybe not. Maybe still does, but... I don't know. I took way too long to respond to his messages. It took like a week. I okay, like, mostly... That was... I feel bad about that. Oh, this guy's 950 elo? I forgot to look it up. Oh, I beat him. 9 to 9. Same. Oh, that's nice. Glistening moon. I wonder if this guy's cheating or not. Ha 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 ha. Okay. I think that's large. Wait, because I'm large. Oh, big boy. I need to get a new headset because these ear cups are like way too small. They hurt my ears and like it's like a clamp on my head too. Even the like the least setting. Even because I'm used to like Razer headphones and my office headphones, but this is just horrible. I'm not gonna front. Alright. Okay, Nombo's lucky to play. I'm not gonna lie. I've been like messing with the lower ones. I still take cough drops to make my breath smell good, because I don't brush my teeth well enough in the morning. Oops. Which I should really do that. I brush it good at nighttime though. I spend like 5 minutes in there to make up for the morning, but it's like that's just bad for your teeth too. So this doesn't even matter. I've been taking faster showers though. I used to take like an hour in the shower and then went to 30 minutes, and now it's at like 10. So I feel pretty good about that, and I don't think I need to make it go any lower than 10. So. Pretty good. I want to get into more animes. I want to watch something, but it's also like I also don't want to because like I want to play games more too. So it's like it's a struggle. I gotta pick one. I used to like watch anime all day. I also used to play games all day. So now I want to get like both of them, but music too as like most of my free time. Because I need to make more music because I've been slacking on that because I don't know why. I want to get a jog in the morning shift, so I'm forced to fix my sleep schedule. But again, I probably still won't because I'll just go to bed late anyways, like I did with school. I was waking up last like 2 semesters ago. I was going to bed at like 4 a.m. even though school started at 8 or no 9. So like I was getting 3 hours. No 4? Yeah. No, I can't count. I don't know. Someone do that for me instead because I don't want to count. I can't count to 5. I like it's stupid. I should probably butterfly click because this guy's beating me. I don't know actually. Is he? I think I toggled because I was I've been playing a bit on AS practice also because there's more players on there at late at night. Which that's what like pretty much when I keep on there because I want to get Master Rank again. I don't know why I'm trying to get it again even though I got it once already. Well, I technically got it twice because I had AK wins before I got banned. So it's like. Yeah, I don't know why I'm doing this to myself, but you know, whatever. I think Grandmaster is what? 10k? Which I'm not gonna go for, because that seems like too much gameplay for me. Because I'm looking gonna quit after like Halo Series 100, 200, and also I was gonna quit after Elysius 100, but it's like I'm already almost at master, and like I've already recorded a bunch of Elysius, so it's like why not just go for a bit more. I'm probably never gonna quit this game completely though. I plan to keep playing the game after I hit these ranks just for fun. After I hit these goals, even though this game is all just for fun, it's like I still have like a goal that I want to do. I just want to play the game pointlessly when I like play do something. That's my ultimate goal. I could do that now, but like I'm just stopping myself from doing that for some reason. But I'm gonna keep what I'm doing now. I thought about improving the game, like last Elo series I think, actually improving at the game, but it's like I don't want to do that now because the game is horrible. This guy's 1100. I'm probably gonna die because he's 1100. He's jumping and block hitting. I'm only doing one of those things. How do people even do jumps properly? Like, isn't it even good for you if you're cheating? If you're not cheating? Because I see some really mixed opinions about it. I gotta like watch more like gameplay from good players. Or like good now and not good 10 years ago. I like watching older Minecraft montages. I don't like watching the newer stuff that much. Because, I don't know, I just like watch videos that I used to watch back then. I don't watch any new montages anymore. I like the ill videos though. Those are like the good ones. I like those. And I like boxing videos now. I've been watching this guy. He's like a German guy. I forgot his name. But he makes these like really good videos with like really high FOV and no fire res, and it's just like aesthetic. I don't know. And he clicks like 10 and 8 in the videos, and they're like, it's like cool. Wow, you click 10 and you're a boxing player. That's like really rare. I'm clicking 10 now. Come on, not anymore. I can't compete if I click a 10 on this guy. Like, look at this guy. I'm not good enough for that. I don't plan to be. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna start playing aim-levs after I hit master, by the way. So that's why my aim is so bad, you know, just, you know. I'm playing. But yeah, my aim-lev playlist, I pretty much play, I'm gonna play aim-levs just to play aim-levs, you know, not get better at anything else. Cause I low-key find it fun. Like, more fun than, a lot of games. I think I told this already, but I don't like most games now. Like, Valorant, I never liked Valorant, but my friends just made me play it. And I wanted to play with my friends, so I played Valorant. Same with Rivals. Well, Rivals I found fun for a little bit, but the game just ran so bad that I just couldn't keep playing it. If I get a better computer, I'll probably enjoy Rivals. Oh, this guy didn't eat. Oh, this side. Still have one more pot. This guy probably has like 4 pots, I'm not gonna lie. I was fighting a trap yesterday. That guy's like so good. I used to 12 pot him, and now he's like 4 potting me, which is insane. Good improvement. Good fight. 19 bucks hits. I have 10. I'm getting up there. Coming one of the block hitting goats. Let me make. No, I'm not gonna do that. I was gonna like 100 FOV without via bombing and like put a crosshair on it. But like that's low-key cringe. Cause I don't like how it looks. I mean, I like how it looks sometimes, but it doesn't look good with Cheatbreaker. Cheatbreaker is like good for vanilla, like other game looks, you know. Cheatbreaker is good for like, I don't know what I'm on. I'm on some crazy timing right now. This guy has 100 ping. I thought it was 175. Oop. Oh, he's backing up. Why that guy take so long to hit me? He just like strafe instead of. I got 2 hits on him. 3, technically. I want to start auto-clicking, but I don't know what clicker to get, and they all like are expensive. I was thinking of getting Drip Light when I start auto-clicking, but it's also like, I don't know, that's too much money. So I'm gonna just keep clicking for now until I get a one that I like. Oh my gosh, I missed that. Oh well. This guy jumping too. This guy knows how to play the game properly, and I don't. Oh, that was on. Come on, Furt. Watch, I'm gonna show off the Stinky Man hit select. You're gonna see the Stinky Man hit select. Watch this. Okay, it doesn't work with this guy because he's like really CPS and things. So jumping, dirty jumper. Okay, I don't know why these like jumping. I don't know, these like non-KB takers. I guess they just don't work with hit selecting. Or I just can't time it right apparently. I didn't check how much elo this guy was at. I think he's at 900? Probably. I feel like if I tried really hard, I could get 1100. But I don't want to do that. I used to queue ranked like 2 weeks ago. I used to queue without freaking fire res because it was like cooler aesthetic. But people just kept running away thinking they're funny. Like, I know that's the obvious thing to do, but you already joined you and whimsy. Let me have something. Let me punch you. This guy has so much pots. Please drop. Okay. If I didn't get that at the end, I would have lost. I'm not gonna lie. He had 19 black hits. That's crazy. He had more hits than me. Let me change my pack to something a bit better, you know, so. How long has it been actually? It's been almost 20 minutes. I'll do one more fight. I'll call it a day. Okay, no one's queuing. I think I'm gonna stop this. Oh, someone queued. They queued 1K elo. This is either gonna be the best or the worst player. Because we did no games yet, you know, we never know. Okay, I think I know my answer. This guy's gone. So his first game on. Ooh, wait, this guy might be like okay at the game. I feel like this guy's like a good Bedwars player. This guy just feels like a Bedwars player to me. I don't know. Yeah, this guy just feels like a Bedwars player. I don't know. But that's the end of the Elo series. Also, Old Spice smells like ass. Don't ever buy Old Spice. Don't listen to your friends. Don't buy Old Spice. It's just way too strong and it's so bad. Okay, goodbye.